We see knockoffs of high-end merchandise all the time, but you've probably never seen a fake Lamborghini cruising down the road. The 1991 case of Ferrari S.P.A. Esercizio versus Roberts helps us understand why. Ferrari, known for its exclusive luxury sports cars, produced its Daytona model from 1969 to 1973. In total, only 1,400 Daytonas were made, 100 of which were convertibles, called Daytona Spyders. Daytona Spyders sold for $1 to $2 million each. Ferrari purposely limited production of its vehicles to preserve exclusivity and demand. In 1984, Ferrari did the same thing when it began producing its Testarossa model, which sold for about $230,000 each. Sometime in the 1980s, businessman Carl Roberts began producing fiberglass shells that looked identical to the Daytona Spyder body. These shells were primarily sold in the form of kits, and the shells were designed to be affixed to the undercarriage of less costly cars. Each kit sold for about $8,500. Roberts also produced a version of these kits already assembled and attached to a less costly vehicle. These sold for about $50,000. Roberts also had pre-orders for kits replicating the Testarossa, which he planned to produce soon. Roberts' kits were sold as Miami Spyders, and the imitation Testarossa kits were to be sold as Miami Coupes. Ferrari sued Roberts in district court for trademark infringement under the Lanham Act. The court granted Ferrari its request for a permanent injunction that stopped Roberts from producing the kits. Roberts appealed to the Sixth Circuit, claiming his customers knew they weren't purchasing Ferraris.